Alright guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jason. You can call me Coach J, and I help entrepreneurs really take full advantage of their workspace so that they can have more time to focus and have more clarity to execute on their goals and be intentional about it. This is one of the videos that I'm going to be doing for one of the strategies that I've created for you guys in the guidebook down below. The guidebook is filled with 25 of my most commonly used strategies to really optimize and to take full control of my environment so that it works for me and not against me. So without further wasting any time, let's get into it. Today's strategy is called clean your workspace regularly. You're probably wondering, why do I have to do that? Well, number one is your workspace is going to be a clear indication and reflection of who you are. So if you believe that you are a clean and organized person, or you want to be a clean and organized person, the first thing that you want to do is to clean your workspace and reorganize it in a way that is clear and intentional so that you don't have any physical resistance or restrictions that will take away your focus and time. How do you do this? You set time during the week where you regularly clean out your workspace, and this includes vacuuming your room, for example, getting rid of all the dirt and nasty stuff that gathered in your room. More importantly, cleaning your workspace, your work desk, so that all of the things are sanitized and clean and ready to be used for another hard week ahead. And included in this strategy is cleaning out your digital workspaces. And what I mean by that is, with your computers, your phones, you want to have everything organized so that you know exactly where to find what you're looking for. So for your digital workspace, I highly recommend that you get rid of any unused junk from a cleaner app, or manually going through your files so that you can delete and save space in your storage. Move all files that you won't be using on a regular basis away from your desktop so that you have exactly the files that you'll be using and referencing throughout the week. Third and last thing for your digital workspace is to run a full backup of your files. The last thing you want to happen for your digital workspace is all of the work that you've done and accomplished just this completely gone. Like, you don't want that to happen at all. So I highly encourage you to find a backup system. If you are a Mac user or Apple user, the Time Machine is one option that you can use, or there are other softwares that you can download to then back up your files. For content creators, I highly recommend you check out external hard drives. If you don't have one already, I highly recommend you buy one so that you can move your files manually, quickly, and just forget about it after you've backed it up every week. So what happens once you've cleaned your workspace and you've set a time to do it? Well, you first have a cleaner workspace to begin with. And with clean workspace, you have clear intentions. You know exactly when you get into this workspace of yours, you'll be in the zone to then execute on your goals. And you'll feel more confident because you've actually put in the time and effort to prepare that space so that you're able to execute and go further with your goals. Now, this also promotes identity, which I'm a big proponent of. If you want to really solidify your identity in this, you're going to have to keep doing the same things over and over again. And by cleaning your workspace every week, you're basically building up your identity in this manner, and that really helps to prepare for whenever you leave to some other place and you know these principles behind workspace optimization. You're able to first set up your environment in a way that works for you, and then to proceed with the next step of getting to work smoothly. So these are the ways this is the way to really one of the quick ways to clean your workspace so that it works for you and not against you. So I hope you liked this video. If it did help you in one way, shape, or form, click the like button below. Click on subscribe. I'm going to be releasing more videos regarding the topics included in my guidebook down below. Before you watch these videos, I highly recommend that you check the guidebook first because there's a lot of value in it. And if you have any questions or you want to learn more about specific strategies, then you can watch these videos because I'll be doing one for every strategy in the guidebook. So I hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next one.